Good Thursday morning, everybody. The 1st of October. Can you believe it? We are getting deeper and deeper into the fall. Sunrise doesn't occur until 7:40. It's just turning 7:18 right now. You can see there are some breaks up in the live camera there in Stanton. Ravenna still a little bit dark. Battle Creek, a few breaks. South Haven, a few breaks in the cloud cover as well. Any sunshine we see will likely be early this morning, and then very, very limited scattered breaks as we head through the rest of the day. Rain, thunder, hail, all in play again today. Not severe weather, but some heavy downpours and certainly some small size hail again, as well as some cold air funnels or some water spouts out there as well because of the cold air rotating in aloft. Friday and Saturday, that's tomorrow morning and Saturday morning, a good chance of some areas of frost, maybe some freezing temperatures by Saturday morning, especially in the rural outlying areas, and then more showers are likely in here by Sunday. We do have a few isolated scattered showers on radar right now. Let's zoom into some of these here, just to the north and west of Grand Rapids here in west central portions of Kent County, northeastern portions of Ottawa County, southwestern portions of Newaygo County. These are all moving in from the west, and they're just kind of developing even as we speak here. And there's some brief heavy downpours in some of these where you see the yellows and the oranges. No lightning in any of this, though, here in the Eaton County area, western Eaton County, Charlotte area. And then as we head down to the south, this has been a cluster that has had some cloud-to-ground lightning strikes in it here. This has now moved in to St. Joseph County around the Three Rivers area, just to the Marcellus area, moving towards Mendon. So you folks in these areas are either seeing or will soon see some brief heavy downpours. Maybe some small size hail out there as well. This is a sign of things to come for us over in Wisconsin, Milwaukee, Sheboygan, Madison, a large part of that Badger State under frost advisories. I think the Weather Service here in Grand Rapids will likely issue some frost advisories for a portion or maybe all of our viewing area later this morning or later this afternoon for tomorrow morning, and then again on Saturday morning. It could be a freeze warning for some of us by that time as well. As we look at our current temperatures, they're all over the board. We've had some clearing overnight. We're down to 41 in Big Rapids, 47 in Grand Rapids, mid-40s along and south of the I-94 corridor. Our lakeshore counties are warmer because there's a wind coming off of Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan water temperatures are in the low 60s right now. Fairly uniform temperatures across the region. And as we look at clouds and radar movement over the last several hours, you can see the way everything is pivoting in the opposite direction in which the clock moves. We call that counterclockwise. And that's important because there's a lot of energy that has to rotate on through the Great Lakes. If it sounds like I said this yesterday, indeed I did. The setup and the scenario is the same. Lots of upper level energy. There's a cold front coming through. Sun is going to come out. That's going to add heat and energy to the atmosphere and destabilize things. So there's a lot going on, not to mention the cold air aloft. That's one way to destabilize the atmosphere, bringing cold air aloft because the air underneath it is warmer and it wants to rise. All of those things combined mean this. Mostly cloudy skies other than a break or two of sunshine this morning. Scattered showers, which will increase in coverage as we go through the morning and the afternoon hours. Thunder and hail all in play there. Not big hail, but maybe up to a half inch, 3/4 of an inch or so. Temperatures top out around 54 degrees, about 1 or 2 this afternoon, and then they'll start to drop off after that. As we look at our future track model, there's the cold front that's going to be sliding on into the area. See how the model has those showers and storms kind of blossoming here. And then we'll see lake effect and lake enhanced rain showers along the lakeshore locations and out over Lake Michigan. That'll go into about midday tomorrow, especially along and west of US 131. Chillier air is still in place tomorrow and Saturday. High pressure builds in, and that's what's going to allow us to see our temperatures to cool off. And we'll see the clearing inland, I think, overnight, and then again on Saturday morning. How much rain are we talking about between now and the end of tomorrow? Probably another 1/4 to a half an inch. Those amounts may be a little bit higher as we get to the immediate lakeshore locations with the lake enhancement and the lake effect rain shower. So we talked about today, mid-50s there, much like yesterday. Lower 50s on Friday. Some morning lakeshore rain showers will be possible, especially along and west of US 131 the first part of the day. Maybe an AM frost or freeze there on Saturday morning. We're 50 on Sunday with more rain likely, and then we should start to build at least warmer temperatures by the time we get into the beginning to the middle of next week. So maybe something to look forward to. Mike, Deanna?
All right.